what's going on? Checking in with you. You guys are probably wondering, especially all my new subscribers, and which all my new subscribers, I greatly appreciate you joining. Everybody's probably wondering, man, I've joined, no videos. What's going on? Well, busy. Man, I've been busy. Busy with work. I was away for training for work-related purposes for a week, and in the following week I took my wife on vacation for her birthday. So I got back last week, and then of course right back to the grind, back to work this week. Had a little bit of weather that we deal with around here, but I'm out here tonight. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know that I'm still around, I'm still plugging. Out here tinkering with the Blazer tonight. I have started on door panels, which I've started videos on those. And I started doing the AC delete so I could put my third alternator on the Blazer this year, and that's been ordered. I talked to Jonathan Patrick just yesterday and made that order at CES, so that's coming. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still around, and I got videos coming. Like I said, I started a series on building new doors for this, and I'm doing videos tonight, and I got more videos to come for deleting the air conditioner and put it on the third alternator. So more videos coming at you real soon. Takes time. I got to edit them and delete things, add things, blah blah blah. It's a little overwhelming at times, so just wanted to check in real quick, drop a video to you guys. I've had a lot of comments, a lot of views on what upgrades are coming to the Blazer this year. They're happening, I'm working on them, and those videos will be out real soon. So just checking in real quick with you guys, and until my new videos come out, bass on.